but then we're making a video on this too. What is this? So this is a 1mm wire. This is about how many yard? Guess how many yard this wire should be. And this is a 1mm wire, so I don't have to bother getting any other one for the meantime. But as for this, I'm going to enjoy it. So this is a bag, a plastic bag. What do we have here, bro? We have a don't tell solar light that is currently bad. Here, this is the light. This is it. This is the panel, solar panel behind it. And there's meant to be a battery here. Let's see if we'll get it. And I'll also be making a video on how to check if this is going to work. And we'll make a project with this, I mean the panel. Even if the light is working or not, we'll make a project with this panel. So, like I said, please subscribe if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel. It is very, very important so we can grow, reach more people. Like, comment, share, whatever you feel is off in the video. Please let us know in the comment section. Whatever you want us to make video on, please let me know in the comment section. This is a wire. I don't know what this is. Yeah, I took this home. Yeah, this one, I took it home. This is a laptop charger. You can see it's a laptop charger. I connected it with a buck converter. What is inside this 13 amps battery is a buck converter that I use in testing my DIY lithium battery to see if it's going to charge it. And guess what? It did. So I'll also teach you how to make a charger for your lithium ion battery where you don't have to go and buy a charger. Instead of throwing your old laptop charger away, you can make use of them to charge your DIY lithium ion battery. So if you also don't know how to do DIY lithium ion battery or backup and all of those things, please subscribe to this YouTube channel because we'll be teaching you how to make things like that. So here we have what do we have next? We have another cable. This is a 1mm cable. 1mm cable. Guess how many yard this one is? Just guess. How many yard do you think this cable is? We have another wire. Why are there so much wires or cables in this place? And another wire, another cable. This is a cable, this is a cable, this is a cable, this is a cable. Oh bro, I'm saving a lot of money here. Yeah, I think this is the battery that is inside the solar light that I showed you before. And I guess this battery, I hope it's still working. I would be so happy. This is a 3.2 volts lithium ion battery, about 6,000 milliamp hour. This should be a 32700, yeah, 32700 lithium ion battery, and there are 3 of them. So I would open it in another video.